this Christmas season, we're now approaching the Christmas season, and there's a lot of things that will happen. Christmas parties, gifts, cash bonuses, all these things have tax implications, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So in brief summary, what sort of Christmas parties are we talking about? So going to a restaurant, doing it on premises, taking the staff to a social event, paintball, movies, stuff like that. So all pretty typical stuff people are aware of. The question is, are these events deductible? And simply no. Unfortunately, the only event that is deductible are on premises, so at the factory or the office. Sometimes the party can then even be non-deductible, so if there's alcohol provided at the office party, it then becomes a non-deductible party. So not great. So if you want to keep it deductible, just soft drink, sandwiches, stuff like that. Keep it simple and it'll be deductible. So the Christmas season is also known as the gift giving season, so that's what we're going to talk about now as well. When you give a gift, we're talking about bottles of wine, watch, flowers, hamper, stuff like that, gift cards. So are these deductible for staff? So simply, it's not, unfortunately. And sometimes it may even be subject to Fringe Benefits Tax. So Fringe Benefits Tax is just a tax on non-cash benefits to staff. There is an exemption that's typically applied if you do give a gift. So in that situation, you want to keep the costs per head at the party under $300 and also the gift under $300. So if you spend $100 per head at the party and the gift is $200, then there's no Fringe Benefits Tax. So for staff, pretty straightforward. It's just non-deductible. And for clients, the gift is deductible. So however, you've got to be careful that the gift is not considered entertainment. So the difference between the two is the easiest way to sort of differentiate here is whether the gift is physical versus an experience. For example, if you give a bottle of wine, that's going to be a gift because it's physical. But if you take the client to a bar, it's an experience, so therefore it's non-deductible. This is entertainment. So the other thing that we see often at Christmas parties is cash bonuses. So for example, if you give a $500 bonus, cash bonus to your staff, so it's going to be deductible, but you've got to be aware that it's going to be subject to withholding tax. So if their withholding is at 30%, so that's going to add, that's going to change your bonus from $500 to $800. And then there's superannuation that you need to pay on that as well. So that's another, 10%. So you're looking at sort of $900 on the original $500 bonus. So just be careful if you're giving a $500 bonus. It may seem a lot more because you've got these additional tax. So always just do the calculations before you do the bonus, so then you know exactly how much you're actually giving across. So if you're not sure about your Christmas tax implications, you can always book a consultation with one of our accountants. Anytime, just do it online, and we're always happy to help.